Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CCL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough day on this one, but in its defense, the entire market's had a rough day, so it's not like this was, the markets were going to new highs, and then here this one is dropping to what it did today, but it is what it is. So I want to get some levels of support and resistance mapped out here that I think a lot of traders will be watching tomorrow, myself included. So the first level of support that, again, like I said, a whole lot of people are going to be watching and wondering about is this area right here at the round number of $17. That's a very historic level. You go back through the chart, and you can see 17 did a good job of overall acting as support. And then once again, held as support once more. So now, don't get me wrong, there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, so I'm not saying that. But when you factor in that there's very clearly still downwards pressure that ruled the day today, and then you also draw, so let me just draw something like this. And then if I use this for up here and draw that down, that would be what is known as the bear pennant pattern. And just because there's a bearish pattern does not mean that for sure, guaranteed, the price is going to behave in a bearish manner. I mean, if only trading were that easy. But my core point here is that I don't think anybody would be shocked to see the price, if it goes down and breaks through 17, to pick up that much more selling pressure and downwards momentum, just because that would be a technical pattern breakdown of the bearish pattern. So a lot of people have noticed that pattern, and like I said, call that a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. If that level fails, then just because the price could very well create that much more selling pressure. Now, in the event that break does occur, the next key level of support to watch after that would then be down there around the $16.50 mark. So $17 and $16.50, two near-term areas of support. In the event there is any sort of an attempted bounce back to the upside, the key level of resistance is going to be that pink line right there, the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average, which you can see it's already begun to act as resistance right there. Current value of that is just slightly up above the $18 mark. But all in all, I know I'll be watching this one on Friday, so let's see how it all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.